Hey, this is Jenny Jones, Digital Growth Hacks Club. All right, so this is a quick members only. Kind of wanted to give you guys a little behind the scenes exclusively for you guys. Let's take a look at Launch Cart. Wanted to share some things with you. I think some people were asking about what was inside the Launch Academy access. Let me show you what's in there because I do have a tier 3 now. And I'm going to go in a little further. And if I could turn this into I might can turn a quick profit if I turn this into I don't know if I need 5 stores. It's just a lot of stores. One thing you're going to notice, and you haven't noticed, and it's in the, it's also in the comments below, that the founder and or their website, they only sell 1 store per sign up. So let's take a look at that. So we're over here on their website, and I think I'm going to do another video on this because I wanted to get and break down some of the funnels and some of the other things you can do. There's a lot to like about this tool. I just don't know how much I'm going to invest yet. I did find out that Percy Miller, or Master P, he's a rapper, but he had the marketing knack to create his own company, bypass the middleman. And I think the methodology is they're going to be launching their own Printify and or Printful type of marketplace. So that's exciting to look out for. Also, they're going to be launching a way for people to create and sell stores too, that you can create for people. So what I wanted to show you was on here, I wanted to show you their pricing. All their pricing, it's just for 1 store, right? Build your own custom online store. That's it. So no matter if you get the lift off, the growth, or the scale, which talks about the pages and all that, it talks about the stores. It doesn't say anything about the stores. Why? Because they only sell 1 store per purchase here. But right, when you go back, right, and you see here, this is the only opportunity to buy multiple stores. And they've shared below where you can actually do the admin and try to set it up for agencies. So I'm going to do one more video that I'm going to do a deeper dive on. That's going to be a massive video. This one's just a private. I just wanted to give you behind the scenes on really what the Launch Academy access looks like, just in case if you're on the fence for this, right? So let's take a look at it here. So here's the Launch Academy, right? Not going to get into it a whole lot. I just kind of wanted to give you a behind the scenes look at what's back here, right? It's a bunch of courses they put together. Nothing over the top. It's a Etsy shop masterclass. One course that I did find was pretty darn decent. It's called No Product, No Problem, right? And these guys do a pretty good lesson in trying to show you what type of merch to create and or, because the way they said is people always are looking for t-shirts. They can never have enough t-shirts. He said it's being profitable, trying to price your stuff right and have the right margins. So that is, I thought this was a pretty good, I actually thought it was a pretty good course. And there's another course in here that I thought was pretty good. I haven't gone through all of them, but there's another one here. Where was it at? Conversion tactics, right? And then design boot camp. And then, so I haven't gone through all of them, but I just want to let you know that there's a couple of classes here. I wouldn't buy it just for this, but there are some pretty good tip classes here. So one other thing I wanted to show you. So let me get over to their homepage again. So one of the things I wanted to show you, let me see if it's here. And again, this is just a short video, just kind of wanted to give you an idea. All right, so I'm going to go here. I'm going to scroll down and I want you to take a look at their team, right? So their team is Percy Miller, which is, you can look him up. That's Master P. You definitely can look him up. He's going to be able to you'll know who he is once you look him up. And then I think it's Burnt Almond, right? Burnt Almond. This guy, I think this is the guy. It's either him or Jeff Barnes. But one of these guys used to work for he used to work for a large brand, Tommy Hilfiger brand, and he launched some other brands. So he's worked about over $6 billion worth of brands. So they got a pretty nice team. I think it's him. Is that him? Yeah, so I think it's Burnt, and I'll have to look and see if that. Give me 1 second. Let's look here on the LinkedIn profile. Chief Executive Officer at Celebrity Lifestyle Brands. Right, so this guy has worked in licensing, omni-channel distribution. He has worked for a lot of other companies. Again, Celebrity Lifestyle Brands. This guy, I think, yeah, this is the guy. So he's worked for a lot of startups and things like that. So this is new business development. He works with founder Fubu, Damon John. He still works with him, new business development for the Shark Group. Part-time, he works for them. So this guy's got ties to the Sharks, right? So this is, do not sleep on what they're actually trying to do here. And what I will also tell you is they're going to be launching a micro investor type where small investors can get in and invest in the company. So they're going to be doing that as well. Listen, I'm going to have Greg Ryder on my station on Saturday. He's going to do so make sure you chime in for that. Let me show you where you can find that. He's going to be on and you can come and bring your questions. So let me show you where you can find that. So when you get to the channel, just navigate over to live. He's going to be on there, the CEO of LaunchCart. He's definitely going to be over there, 7:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Bring your questions. He's going to be answering most of the questions that you may have for this tool. He's only going to be, we'll be live for about an hour, 45 minutes to an hour, right? And so, yeah, he's going to be there. So they just looks like they just got another review here. What are people saying here? Where have you been in my entire life? Listen, this is I'm telling you, do not for a minute sleep on this tool, right? You don't have to make a large investment, but I think once you find out how easy it is and how good it is, you'll be like, I should have got more of them, right? So this guy here, he's saying, I have spent tears and blood building native stores on WordPress and it still look like crap. And then this beauty walks into my life. Where have you been? I created my store with Printful integration in 30 minutes. I'm telling you, I did my entire store. I put inventory up, everything. It took me 2 hours to create a brand, buy a domain name, everything. It took me 2 hours. So easy, quick, so happy. Tears are flowing. This guy, he's excited. So again, this is quick work and it's pretty solid. One of the other things is they don't really have a good CRM. I think it's going to do Zapier, but you can export your actual clients. So I'm not overly concerned with that right now. As people, you really want to do your merch. You really just kind of want to be returning that over. And then you can actually slowly bring those people on and kind of do some other things with them. All right. So that's really different than selling a full blown product. If you're just moving a lot of t-shirt in massive volumes, right? You really want to identify who those people are on your list and kind of get them in your CRM and let them know when you got new t-shirts and stuff dropping. So, hey, this has been Jenny Jones. Wanted to just kind of give you another behind the scenes. Again, do not miss us. Do not miss this live here that we got coming. All right. Do not miss it. It's coming up. All right. Saturday, be there. Ask your questions. She's going to answer them live. You guys take care. Goodbye for now.